Unboxing LJ6090. Check whether the outer package is complete or has any damage. Remove all the screws on the outer box using electric screwdriver, wrench, or other tools necessary. Remove the securing battens and reinforcing bars with caution. Remove the protective film. Remove all 4 fixing brackets. Lift the machine onto a pallet truck for transfer. You will need approximately 4 to 5 people viewing the weight of the machine. Lift the machine onto a flat tabletop. Remove the screws on the orange boards located at both bottom sides of the machine. Turn the boards 180 degrees and reinstall the screws. Take out the ink cartridge. Install the ink cartridge at right top of the machine. Place the ink bottles into the sinks. Install the cover using a screwdriver. Remove the binding tape on the ink tubes. Take out the ink filters. Place the filters on the holder under the ink cartridge. Cut the ink tubes into proper length and attach them to the filters. Connect the power cord and connect computer with network cable. Remove the protective film on the flatbed surface. Turn on the main power switch. On the computer, go to Control Panel, enter Network and Internet, then Network Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click on the unidentified Ethernet, which is the printer network to be configured. Open the Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol IPv4. Type in IP address and subnet mask as displayed. Take out the ink sacs. You will need 4 ink sacs for each print head. Remove the cover of the print head carriage with the help of a screwdriver. Move the carriage in place. Then remove the protective cover on the print head tube. Attach ink sacs to the end of every print head tube. Then cut the tubes from the middle into proper length. Connect the half with ink sac to a divider. Make sure each divider is connected to 2 ink sacs. Then attach the ink sacs and divider to the other half of print head tube. Now take out the print heads. Install the power cord to the print head. Here we have a guide on the direction of print head. We will also pin a guide here on the placement of 3 print heads and the correct connection order of the plugins, power cords, and print heads. Install the print head in the right place according to the guide. Attach the ink sacs and dividers to the right print head. Connect the power cord to the plugins on the board atop. Bind the power cords using a tape. Loose the screws on the ink stack base to align the print head with ink stack, so that the print head will provide ink properly. Confirm the ink bottle order. Shake the ink bottle evenly before opening it. Then pour the ink into the right ink bottle. Make sure the color matches. Apply an injector on the end of ink sac to draw some ink from ink bottles. Now that every part of the printer is ready, let's check the nozzle. Place a piece of clean white paper. Adjust the height between nozzle and object to approximately 2 millimeters. On the software, enter Print tab, then click Self-Check. The printer will then start to print out detection line on the paper. The detection line reveals the status of your nozzle. It is suggested you perform nozzle check on a regular basis to ensure the color precision. For more information, welcome to contact our customer service.